Hello. All right, for this week's discussion, we are going over the videos that we watched and about IEP and 504s. So how can I learn more about the process of the IEP and the 504 process? I think talking to other teachers who are in that area and expertise would be a good resource to go to and to talk to about the difference between the IEP and the 504, or if I have questions. Currently, I'm working at a school right now as a long-term substitute. They have me for the whole year, and so I have students who have IEPs, and I also have students who have 504s. And so understanding that, and so how I could learn more and adapt and understand it is we have a SPED department here on my campus, and it would be a great opportunity to go talk to them and have them explain more to me and more in detail and show me examples of different types of IEPs and 504s. So that's how I could learn a little bit more about that. What difficulties may I experience as a general education teacher or special education teacher in the eligibility process? Consider a student who you would need to qualify for the services. So a way to go around that would be, I would talk to administration. If there's a student that I feel really needs to be on the IEP or really needs to be on a 504, I would take it to administration and tell them, hey, this student's really struggling. I think that the student would benefit from this. What can we do to get this student? Also, you could have, you could get from a doctor, you could have the student evaluated. You could have the student evaluated at the school to see what would work best. So that's how I would go about the difficulties that I may experience when I have a student who may not qualify, how I would get that student to be able to qualify. And what do I disagree with? An IEP team member's opinion. If I disagreed with another teacher's IEP, another teacher's opinion, I would kind of talk to that teacher, I think, one-on-one and be like, hey, this is what I'm seeing the student's doing well with. This is what I think the student needs to work on. So let's collaborate together so that we can have that student who is going to be successful and what is going to help them be the most successful that they can be. Currently, my son is on a 504. And so I know a little bit more about the 504. I'm not an expert on it, but I do know a little bit because of my son. So my son has ADD, and so it just gives him the option to be able to, change his desk if his desk needs to be changed, or and really help him to succeed in the public education system. It's not that he has a disability or anything, it's just a way to help them be more successful in their education journey. And so that's what I got. Thank you.